We're going to take a look at Hospitable's automated review system. So one great thing you can do through Hospitable, which is a property management system or PMS, is you can set up automated reviews.
Please help us grow our channel by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and dropping a comment below. We appreciate your support.
If you go into here, guest experience, and you go into review rules, this is where you can set up custom reviews. So I'll walk you through a few reviews that we have set up currently. So review 1, guest first name, was great and a pleasure to host. We would certainly recommend back such lovely guests at any time. Happy travels. Review 2, guest first name was simply wonderful and we were fortunate to host them. We would definitely recommend them as a guest. Review 3, this one we have specifically for one house. Thank you very much again, guest first name, for having chosen us for your stay. It was truly a pleasure hosting you. Please visit again. I gladly recommend guest first name to my other hosts. My experience was wonderful. Thanks and the best to you. Again, you could kind of see how there's a variety of messages that you can send. Guest first name was amazing guest. Communication was smooth. The place was left in great condition and the house rules were respected. I hope to host guest first name again in the future. So as you can see, you can set all these sending time 3 days after checkout. You could set them by property. You could send them for all properties. You could make more for custom responses if you'd like. This is just a super easy way to automate your review leaving of guests at your properties.